In this video, we will show you how to find duplicates in Excel. If you have data look like this, maybe there is have duplicate values. So you can detect using a few methods. The method 1 and the easiest way, you can using conditional formatting. How to do that? We will highlight the duplicate values. First, you can block the cell. It can column or it can rows. Okay. I will block all of my data and select conditional formatting and select new rule. Okay. And in here, select format only unique or duplicate values. You can see there. And in the format, you can fill with the red color, for example, and click OK and select OK. You can see here, there is duplicate values in address and email. You can see this is the same with this and suite 11 with suite 11. Okay, so there is have a duplicate values if you see here. Now we will try to block this one. Okay, for our second method. Okay, you can see the number 18. The number second method that I just tell to you, we can using a filter. How to do that? For example, we will highlight this column. Okay, then select in the data and select filter. After there is have drop down filter like this, you can select advanced and select unique record only. Okay, when you click OK, please see your eyes here. Okay, when you click OK, the number 18 is missing. In here, let's try to copy a few rows between 17 until 20. Okay, for example, okay, we can copy this and don't paste in here because there is hidden cells. Okay, let's paste in the other tab. Okay, for example, you can see the number 18 is gone. So we have unique values in here. This is the method 2 that you can using a filter. The method 3, you can remove the duplicate values with easiest way actually. I will control plus C. Okay, I already back to the default before we use a filter. Okay, you can see here, we can remove the duplicate values using this easy way. Okay, for example, you can click this column, okay, and select this, remove duplicates. Okay, select continue with the current selections and remove duplicates. You can focus in here, okay, and click remove duplicates and select OK. You can see this is the other method how you can remove and get the Unix values. But if you see the number 18 is not deleted for these rows, maybe this will have a problems later. You can see our rows become blank in bottom of the values. So maybe this is the another option for you if you just want to make this column unique but without seeing the other records. I will control plus C again, and that's all how you can find the duplicate values in Microsoft Excel with a few methods. Thanks for watching.